BYR PEX Corporation, established in 1998, operates in various areas of production activities in the field of internal engineering systems. In 1999, BYR PEX mastered the mass production of cross-linked polyethylene pressure pipes. In 2005, a plan for 100% visual control of the extrudate was developed and launched, which captures the slightest changes in the structure of the material. The range of BYR PEX is 3 technologically completed systems of pressure pipes, 4 types of processed raw materials, 7 pipe diameters, a corrugated protective pipe, and a large selection of fittings. Each batch passes the output control. BYR PEX has carried out a research on polymers that are most suitable for modern drinking water supply and heating systems. The laboratory conducts regulatory testing and crash tests. Due to the lack of data on the service life of PEX pipes at operating temperature of 95 degrees Celsius, a comparative analysis of the structure and properties of different cross-linking methods was carried out. As a result, the concept of 6th class of pipe operation was introduced. The distribution network of the corporation is represented in 20 cities of Russia and neighboring countries. All offices will offer you qualified assistance in the selection of products, provide advertising and technical catalogs, ensure prompt delivery. The central office is a symbol of a modern workspace aimed at increasing the level of comfort and efficiency of employees. The work of the departments of the central service is aimed at maintaining the life of the corporation, as well as providing all kinds of services to its partners. BYR PEX performs a full range of installation, commissioning, and maintenance of internal engineering systems. Qualified specialists carry out consultations, selection of optimal equipment models and layouts, installation and commissioning of systems. The concept of BYR PEX Corporation is based on an individual approach and assistance in creating a modern engineering life support system for buildings.